good. That sound of them 2 plates. That jump from 135 to 185 felt like I was like, oh shoot, 225 is gonna be rough. But what happened was your body recruits more muscle fibers. I tell you, when I racked up that 225, when I lifted it up, I had it in the right spot. It felt great. Things felt really good on the rack out. And then getting deep in the hole is what I really like now. When I first started, I didn't have that kind of mobility, but now I'm doing pretty good. Back up to 2 plates. Almost had 5 plates. I got 475 down in the hole, but I was so excited to get it down in the hole. I got to come back up, so my max is 450. I think my best lift, if you look back, is 400 times 5. That felt so awesome. Trump 2020. Keep the faith. There we go, Roy Gallagher.